that's just the beginning.
For sure.
I mean, these storms are going to be expected to start to move even more, strengthening actually, as they continue to shift towards the east throughout the week. Tomorrow into Saturday, we have warm, humid air that's going to be surging from the north into the Ozarks and the Mississippi Valley region. And this is going to be setting the stage for some more widespread severe weather. By Saturday, all modes of severe weather is going to be on the board. So here's what we're looking at right now. We have a level 1 out of 5 for Friday, but we can see here at Saturday as we move, the entire state of Arkansas is going to be under a level 2 out of 5 when it comes to severe weather. And take note, we're only on Thursday. So we still have the chance to be seeing this actually updating a little bit more, Craig. And, you know, we're going to be adjusting this forecast as we get closer and closer. But like you were talking about, it's all thanks to this dip in the jet stream. It's bringing in all that nice energy. And we have incredibly warm temperatures. I believe Birmingham, Alabama, 92 degrees yesterday. That was that record. Old record was back in 2015.
Man, 87 degrees, so it blew it out of the water, right? At Shelby County Airport. That's the heat that's going to be one of the ingredients that's already building right now. Then look at the dew points. Friday and Saturday, it's going to feel like a summer day. You're feeling summer heat right smack as we begin fall. And that's enough to trigger some of the storms. You throw in the winds, and Bayne, that also is going to be a concern for perhaps some rotation, especially when you look at the surface winds in orange coming in from the south. And then you look at those blue winds at 10,000 feet. Sometimes they're perpendicular, which gives you a good indication that winds are changing direction as they go up in elevation, which could give you some rotating thunderstorms. Also, those thunderstorms could give you some strong downbursts, strong winds at the surface.
Yeah, I think winds is going to be a major impact for this area. I think the one saving grace that could happen is if we have those morning-like storms. If we get a little bit of that cloudier skies, it may dampen down that energy a little bit. So that's what we're hoping for. But, you know, you have to be prepared because the second we get that sunshine, it starts heating it up, we get all that moisture. I mean, it's hats off. We could be seeing some seriously strong storms. And I mean, even looking here, tornadoes are usually less frequent in October, but there still is quite a bit of a chance as we move throughout the next couple of days. Again, this is going to be mostly into Saturday and Sunday.
You mentioned the state of Arkansas, the southern half of the state, central and southern half of the state, no stranger to tornadoes this time of year. The entire state, as you can see in that red line there from the Storm Prediction Center, is highlighted to have the chance for these tornadoes. So to your point, if we get some clearing during the afternoon hours and things start to heat up even more, I'd say be prepared because as the sun goes down, there is still the threat for those storms to produce some severe weather. Having said that, do you have 2 ways to get notifications? It is the weekend. How many of us let our guard down on the weekend? You're like, you kind of check out. I don't blame you. We do too. But you want to make sure that you are connected with the weather that's going on, especially Saturday night to Sunday.
Yeah, it can be a dangerous situation.
Absolutely.
So, yes, make sure you have those notifications on loud in case you are sleeping. And, of course, too, we do have a little bit more of that rain coming on in. So some flooding going to be an issue, too, for some folks.